What's up, YouTube? Now, I'm gonna be showing you how you break ice with just your fingertips. This is solid, right? Now, what you want to do, right? So I made no mess. Let's put this right here, right? I'm gonna zoom in. This is called Panda Energy Blast through the fingertips. It's a cheat method I just figured out. Watch closely. Don't think, just do. That's one. I'll just see. Two. Now. You see that? I'm gonna do that side. You see that? I'm gonna do this side. It's something about my fingers. I've been hitting the trees for so long. Look at that. I'm actually breaking the ice with my fingers. Watch the thumb. I can do it with my thumb too. Watch. Here we go. Right here. Yep. This finger. No joke. Ooze. Panda.